Okay, Indian education system is very bad. Actually, education system means having practicals, but in our India, it is not happening. We are not following any practicals.
Actually, practicals are needed, but in India we are just focusing on marks and trying to get good marks. If we focus on the knowledge and when we read books, we can improve our knowledge. So indirectly, we are focusing towards our future and trying to get good marks and trying to improve our knowledge.
Most of the people are getting marks, but they are not getting any knowledge. They are by hearting the books, and they are mainly focusing on bookish knowledge. They are not using their brain to develop anything. But in our India, mostly when we see other countries, they follow the their knowledge. They follow their knowledge and they use their knowledge. But in our India, they follow only books. Bookish knowledge, they won't get
Books are the
anything.
best friends of humans. You know, when we learn from books, we can get much more things. We can know about everything. So books are the best things that we can have in our life. So if a book is equal to a good book is equal to 100 friends, so we can learn a lot of things. And you know, when we observe in the foreign countries, they don't take their books, they don't study at their homes, so they can't get enough knowledge to write the exams or to get into any field. But here we just focus on the subject and we learn many things and we get a job, then we do it correctly.
Bookish knowledge is very good, but they are not for they are reading what is there in that book, but they are not applying their knowledge. If when we read those books and when we write the sentences what they have in the book, but if we write what the knowledge, what we have brain, we have to use that. Actually, we have to gain knowledge from the book. But what the people are doing in India, they are just reading the sentences what there in that book.
Actually, the foreigners use internet instead of books. We use books, that's it. So we learn things from books, but they learn things from internet. What is there in this? What's the difference in this? We just read the knowledge. We read the books and we get knowledge from the books and we apply it in our life.
Books takes a lot of time to search anything, but internet it makes the people to learn new things easily, and we can search a small span of time. We can search many new things, but in the books, it is not possible for small time of.
Yeah, actually, only the thing that they need, the foreigners, they are doing this. What they need, they are just taking that line and they are applying, they are writing in their exams. But you know, the Indians, we read books from the first page to ending. So we can improve our knowledge and we can get more things and we can attempt in the exams and we can, you know, actually, when we get knowledge, we can apply it in our lives. So it is very helpful.
But actually, our Indian education system, it needs some knowledge. But actually, when we after completion of exams, we are not focusing on just on results. So when we focus on these results, the correct who are doing those corrections, they are following one key, and they are not giving good marks. Because of that, the people in India, they are facing many problems.
The foreigners are not, they don't focus on studies, they just always try to enjoy their life and they don't concentrate on their future. So I think the Indian education system is very good when compared to other countries.
But Indian education system is too bad when compared with other countries. Actually, we are not having any facilities, so Indian education is very bad.
No, foreign education is very bad, Indian education is totally good.